Hello guys, this is Ivan here. We are trading live with eScalper and with many other products here. And this is video just a reminder that still we have today super special incredible promo. You can see in previous videos, but I will repeat: €99 for any free product, any free expert advisors, unlimited licenses, or 79 for free indicators. It is valid 24 hours. Today, as a gift, free, you get my super trend private strategy for free, plus unlimited licenses. So 99, 79. You choose any free expert advisors. This is one, what you see, or free indicators. So it is up to you. It is valid more 20 hours. It was 4 hours ago I made first video, 24 hours. So tomorrow until the noon it is valid. But only today you get for free. Where is it? You get for free my private strategy. Super trend strategy. I explained so many times how it works. So you see some of the products: Omega Turbo Trader, stock, what is it is trading stock here. So this is only expert advisor here, or I have so many of these, so I even cannot find it. Australian daily, you see trader open here a trade. Here you see indicator, these arrows, and expert advisor. And we have here USD Canadian. Also you will see only expert advisor. Here it is one of the best trend systems, indicators, trend log system. It is, as the name say, pure trend system. So in spite I made many videos, I will repeat the rules. When you have arrows, you need additional four steps to confirm, and then you enter. So here you will need this trend line blue, this turbo candles blue, this must go over the zero and be blue, and this is more important, the most important, this indicator trend bars must be blue. When you see it, you can keep it until the first signs of red. So here, if you see two in a row and this is going down, you can exit, or you can risk and wait for opposite red arrow. Then again new signal, and so on, so on. This is my super trend strategy. This is Reactor Scalper, very latest version, with recovery system. It is also in live trade. Also I made today and 2 days ago, yesterday, many videos how to use it, what is inside the recovery system. You can use it or not. So we are in buy trade, but doesn't matter. It will sooner or later go up, or will use a recovery system. Here we have some manual systems, Turbo Plus. Also explained many times, after the white arrow you need green for buy or blue for sell, and then only you enter the trade, like here. You see the accuracy, win rate. So many fantastic products you can find here. This is GBP USD on Turbo Hybrid Trader, eScalper, FOREX, fantastic indicator in trade here. I explained yesterday, how to use it. So you just wait for an arrow. When you get arrow, you need confirmations. This one, and this one. I will not repeat the rules. Generally, guys, for rules for how to use something, you always go to my webpage, and the first video is here. What I make when I launched this product. So here or here you will see the rules how to use it of any. So also for FOREX. And after you see this video, you can watch any other on my YouTube. Oh, I wrongly clicked, but nevertheless. So many systems here. This is Forex Discovery, one of the most wanted, super safe. When you see arrow, you need also free confirmations, arrow plus line, plus this should be in blue, and this should be, in my opinion, 60 in green, and then you will enter the trade. You see, this is still in the trade, still. Why we are keeping it still? Because trend line is blue, this is green, and this is blue. Maybe here we'll exit. Or wait another opposite red arrow. So all time frames can be used. We have X Turbo Trader here, latest version V25. You see, when all this will be set up for, I don't know, let's put it on 1 hour. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 confirmations for sell. When you have, the trade will be open. These all confirmations are inside the software. And fantastic. This is V25 plus trader and indicator. You can use all these on all assets. So here you have both indicator and expert advisor. So that's why there is a promo only for indicators and for expert advisors. If you need any other combination, just contact me, we'll make something for you, especially if you're my previous customer or subscriber. So today, free expert advisors or free indicators plus my strategy for free. Prices you know, for free indicators 79, for free expert advisors 99, plus this for free, but only today. This is free only today. So guys, it would be all. Contact me on the email below. Go to my webpage. There you can choose any of these products. See the videos. Some products are not here, but all other you have on my YouTube. I think like this. No, like this you cannot find on my web. Turbo Plus and Black Arrow. But I made at least 10 videos lately for these two systems. You see the accuracy. So if you need more info, just go to my YouTube. So this would be all. Goodbye, good night, bye bye.